Welcome back to our ServiceNow IT Asset Management series. In this video, we are focusing on software asset management and how to optimize it using ServiceNow. We will walk through software normalization, license optimization, vendor compliance, and automation workflows that simplifies your software asset lifecycle. Let's dive into the best practices that keep your software spend under control while staying audit ready. Software normalization and entitlement data. The foundation of effective SAM is clean and accurate software data. Here's how ServiceNow handles it. Publisher match standardized naming convention, e.g., MS Office becomes Microsoft Office. License terms are important and tracked so you always know your usage right. Install validation checks what's actually installed across devices. Entitlement linking connects purchase data with discovered installs to confirm compliance. This normalization step avoids duplication, guesswork, and misreporting and sets you up for confident license management. License optimization strategies. Managing software is not just about compliance, it's about cost efficiency. Here are the key strategies. Using tracking helps identify underutilized licenses you can reclaim. Reharvesting automatically pulls back unused license for redistribution. Right sizing ensures users have the correct license type, not more than they need. True ups prepare you for vendor audits by reconciling install against entitlements. ServiceNow automates much of this process, reducing spend while improving utilization. Vendor compliance monitoring. Vendor compliance is a major risk area, especially with the complex license agreements. ServiceNow helps with audit readiness by keeping license positions current, mapping software usage against vendor terms and restrictions, creating a real-time license position for each publisher so you are always in the know, aligning your usage with internal policies like software request approval guidelines. When done right, SIEM becomes your shield during software audits, not a reliability. Automate SIEM workflows with ServiceNow. Manual SIEM processes are slow and error prone. That's why ServiceNow supports automation across the board. Renewal workflows help you avoid missed contract or surprise costs. Software request follows integrate with the catalog for approval and provisioning. License alert notify you when usage near limits. Auto update refresh discovery, entitlement, and compliance data. The result fewer manual tasks, improved governance, and fully integrated license lifecycle. Let's recap what we covered in this video. We began with normalizing software data and linking it to entitlements for accuracy. Then we explored license optimization strategies that reduce cost without affecting performance. We talk about staying vendor compliant through real-time tracking and policy alignment. And finally, we highlighted how automation in ServiceNow transforms SAMs from a headache into a strategic asset. In our next video, best practices for hardware asset management, we will apply similar principles to hardware side, procurement, deployment, maintenance, and end of life strategies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you there.